Good fuel system maintenance is an important part of the routine care of your machine, especially with the fuel technology that is required to meet the more stringent emissions regulations we see today. You should always use clean fuel, drain the water from your fuel water separator, and change your fuel filter element per the recommendations in your operation and maintenance manual. But not all manufacturers make that easy to do. Some make it harder than it should be, with hard to access filters, bleed screws that have to be opened, and no way to control the fuel water solution when it's being drained from the fuel water separator. Not so with the CAT skid steer and compact track loaders. Let's take a closer look. These machines provide a clear bowl on the fuel water separator that allow you to visually inspect for water in your fuel on a daily basis. If you were to miss that on your daily walk around, we include an electronic sensor in the fuel water separator, which will give you an alert on the display in the cab. Draining your fuel water separator on a daily basis or as needed is easy and ecologically friendly to do. We provide this tube that is connected to the bottom of your fuel water separator that easily allows you to place it into a container in order to capture the fluid. Competitive systems don't always give you that flexibility or even the room to capture and control the fluid. Let's take a closer look at how you actually do that. First, if equipped, you'll want to turn the battery disconnect switch to the off position. Next, you'll want to remove the electronic sensor connector for the fuel water separator. Then, using a container to capture the fluid, you can loosen and turn the valve on the bottom of the fuel water separator to allow flow of fluid to start. Once you visually can see that the water has left the fuel water separator, all you need to do is tighten the valve and reinstall the connector of the fuel water separator sensor, and then properly dispose of the fluid you have drained. With the fuel system provided on the CAT skid steer and compact track loaders, priming the fuel system and bleeding the air from the fuel system is very easy. The automatic electric priming pump allows you to prime the system with just a turn of the key switch. Also, with the design of the fuel system, the air is automatically bled. No need to open bleed screws or have any other tools handy. In order to do this, you simply walk to the front of the machine, move the key to the on position in the cab, and then the fuel system primes and the air is automatically bled. So as you can see, CAT skid steer and compact track loaders were designed with routine maintenance in mind to help you protect your investment and allow you to quickly and easily accomplish daily routine maintenance items such as fuel system maintenance without the need for hand tools or moving components. If you'd like to learn more about CAT skid steer or compact track loaders or the features they have to offer, visit us on our YouTube channel or contact your local CAT dealer today.